Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's one of my favorite days of the month. I received my Bargain Bead Box. It says the theme this month is Coastal Breeze. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Your beads, white sands, turquoise seas, and coral pinks inspired this month's seaside palette. Highlights include carved shell drops, agate cubes, and two-tone cylinders, mother of pearl rounds, and bumpy lampwork nautilus beads. Synthetic coral and electroplated lava stone give oceanic color and texture without damaging reefs, while crystal accent beads and a set of silver finished findings in starfish and shell motifs complete the collection. That is exciting. And if you're a subscriber, you also get a 30% off coupon each month. If you're interested in subscribing to the Bargain Bead Box, you can use coupon code Turquoise to save $2 off of your first box. And I have an affiliate link below. So please use that link. And I'm going to get everything out and let's take a look. Okay, just looking through the box, getting everything in order, I already am in love with this box, which is exciting. Number one, we have a 30-piece, 7.5 millimeter star bead cap, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Cute. I'm sure we've gotten these before, but they're very helpful, especially if you don't have a lot of spacers. I use them as spacers most of the time. Number two, starfish charms, 2-piece, 22.5 millimeter. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. We have a lot of stuff here that we can patina today, or at least this month. This is exciting. These are really cute. I don't have these. I'm going to have to make a mold. I'm sure you guys are excited to hear me say that all the time now. Which, by the way, I made the video, so if you haven't checked it out, check out the mold video. Number three, 51 by 53 millimeter textured starfish pendant, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Super excited about this. And this is funny because it's got the hole in this kind of the same place that that turtle pendant did from the other box that I got for this month. Very cool. Very cool pendant. Definitely going to paint it though, for sure, because I think that'll eventually tarnish. Number four, approximately 16-inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, alabaster AB. And the fun thing about these, they're gorgeous. The fun thing about these is they look like moonstone in person. You can kind of see the yellowness of the AB on screen, but in person they're more blue-purple. And yeah, the flash isn't really showing up as much on camera, but they're really pretty. At first I mistook them for moonstone, so they're really cute. And nope, I don't think we have vine cones this month. I'm like shocked. Number five, approximately 10-inch strand of 8 millimeter crystal round beads in turquoise. You know I love these. These are gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Kind of seeing like a knotted piece almost with these. We'll see what else is in this box. I don't know. These are really pretty though. Number six, approximately 7-inch strand of 14 millimeter synthetic turquoise starfish beads. So cute. I have these, but they're fun. I did see, been seeing these a lot lately in people's designs, so they're very on trend, very cute. We gotta say the color palette's great. You know I love it. Number seven, approximately 7.5-inch strand of polished seashell round beads. That's cool. They're white. They almost feel like stone, but they're shell. Very nice. Very summery, beachy box. I'm loving it. 8 is an approximately 1 meter, 4 by 3 millimeter textured steel oval chain, lead and nickel free. Okay. Number 9 is an approximately 7-inch strand of 6 to 8 millimeter frosted weathered agate cubes. And they say these are heat treated and permanently dyed. These are so awesome. If they put these on site, I'm buying them again because I don't have this shape. Again, that white is reminiscent of moonstone again, even though there's no flash, but it's really cool. I'm loving these. These are really cool. In a box of things that I've only loved so far, these are the things that are probably my favorite so far. Why can't every month be like this? Oh, this is wonderful. All right, so number 10. I'm really shocked. There's actually quite a bit of stuff this month. And so they say that there are 21 pieces. Last month, I think there was like 17. I can't remember for sure. And it says approximate total retail value for this shipment is $69. Sometimes that seems a little iffy, but I could go with it this time, just seeing from what's in this box. Number 10 is an approximately 15-inch strand of 5mm mother of pearl shell round beads. Very nice, perfect spacers. Definitely feeling like a necklace and a bracelet. I probably should make some earrings, even though I don't wear them, for my mom or something. And just to explain that, I don't wear dangly earrings because they hurt my ears. I wear 14 karat gold studs, solid studs. All right, number 11, 2-piece 10 by 11 millimeter hand carved shell drops. We've seen these before, but not with like, not from them. So I've seen something like this before. I have some beads that look like this, but not little charms. These are super duper cute. So cute. And I know that those can be expensive, so I'm excited that they included those in our box this month. Number 12, I think this is my absolute favorite thing so far. Number 12 is a 6-piece 11mm synthetic coral fluted melon beads in light turquoise. Hello. When they say synthetic coral, I don't know if these are just plastic. I don't know what they're made out of. I think they are plastic. That's okay with me. They're so cute. And the way that they made them, they're not all like the same color. So they're so gorgeous. These and these cubes are just my favorite things so far. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to buy more because I want to make a video using them, but I want to have some for my stash. Oh, I put them in the wrong baggie. Number 13, 10-gram bag of 13 by 18mm shell and starfish links. Lead, nickel, cadmium free. Cute, cute, cute. I have some of these from somewhere. I don't remember where, but super cute. So cute on a necklace, a bracelet, some earrings, and you have enough to make all 3. Be really cute with a very long like hand linked necklace. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know. Number 14. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. 5-piece 10 by 11 synthetic coral scallop beads in varied pink. 5. Oh, did I only get 4? No, there's 5. So cute. They're little babies. These are so cute. Literally this whole, not to be punny, but this whole box is floating my boat. Number 15, we have a 10-gram bag of 14mm starfish beads, lead and cadmium free. These are cute. I have these, but that's okay. I'm thinking I kind of want to do like a really long necklace, multi-strand with all these different beads. I'm trying to figure out how I can do it. I'm like, my brain is going crazy trying to figure out how to design this necklace. Number 16, these are so cool. I haven't seen this shape before. Number 16 is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 8.5 by 8mm electroplated lava stone barrel beads. What a cool shape. That is cool. Like, I want a whole box of these. Love that. That'd be a fun bracelet. Like, I want to make 6 different necklaces and a whole big bracelet stack. I might just do like one video centered on just using box stuff, but then I want to mix this in because I had a lot of beachy stuff. You guys know this. 19, 40-piece strand, 6x4mm freshwater shell beads, pale pink dyed. These are so pretty and dainty in real life. I need like 6 more strands because these are so cute. I love the shape. That is just so precious. They're so pretty. I love those. Number 17, 2 sets, 21 by 16.5mm pebble textured toggle clasps. Cute, cute, cute. You know I love some toggles. I don't think I have that style. Number 18. Oh, I did number 19 out of order. Whoops. Number 18. I was like, where's 19? 18, two-piece 26 by 29 millimeter carved shell pendants. So we not only got the little charms, we got pendants too. These are so pretty. They're not like high shine, but that's okay. They're really cute. And like I said, the carved shell could be kind of expensive, so I'm excited to just be seeing it in a box. Number 20 is a two-piece 13 to 14 by 15 millimeter handmade lampwork glass nautilus bead. So 2 of them. These are cute. I don't know. I think I don't know if I had seen these by themselves that I would know it's a nautilus. My brain immediately saw this as an ear or a paisley. Like, not that these are the color of an ear, but I wouldn't know it's a nautilus without somebody telling me it's a nautilus. Does it go in with the theme? Absolutely. And would I put it in some jewelry? Sure. Cute though. I mean, they're cute. They just look like ears. And then last but not least, number 21, a two-piece 34 by 9 millimeter two-tone agate oval bead. Cream transparent ivory. These are cool. I love these. You know, I am very, very, very impressed this month. I saw a couple things that I've never seen before. Actually, more than a couple. I've never seen these beads. These. Oh, the little shells. I forgot I put those in the wrong box. These. This. These. These. And these. So, I mean, half the box are things that I've, first of all, never seen from Bargain Bead Box before, but never purchased or have in my stash, so, or seen before. So that's a big feat, I think. The second thing is the theme was on point for summer, perfect color combos, and there wasn't one thing in this box that I don't like. So that's pretty rare. I think everybody has that one thing that sometimes they just don't think they'll use or like in a box, but I'll use all of this stuff. My absolute favorites were these shells, the lava, the pumpkins, or do they call these pumpkins? Melons, and the agate. So cute. I don't know that I would use these with these, but I would definitely use these 3 together. So stay tuned. I gotta kind of like decompress. I was gonna try and do something in this video, but I don't want to rush it. There were so many good things. I want to make sure that I use them in a way that I will wear them and not just to make something. I hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super duper cute. If you want to save $2 off of your first box and you want to subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, use coupon code Turquoise at the link in the description, and that's an affiliate link. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.